Is your pear tree having a bad hair day? With spring right around the corner, it's time to prune her up. Homegrown pears are incredibly delicious. Keep their yields high by giving them room to breathe, by removing any dead or diseased wood, crossed or rubbing branches and limbs. Pear trees grow incredibly fast, and before you know it, those tiny little suckers will turn into mega limbs. To prune an overgrown pear tree, first visualize a triangular shape to get an idea of which limbs to remove. You'll want to remove those limbs during the tree's off-season, late winter or early spring, when the tree is dormant, just like me on Sundays. Hand pruners can be used for small branches, up to 3/4 inch in diameter. Clean up the interior by trimming those inward growing branches to let in light and air. For larger limbs above 6 to 10 inches in diameter, it is recommended to make 3 cuts, preferably with a chainsaw. The first cut should be halfway through the limb, about a foot or two off of the tree trunk. The second cut all the way through the limb, a few inches above the first cut. The third and final cut should be against the branch collar. Be cautious to not cut into the branch collar of the tree. I ended up trimming the branches with 1 cut using a pruning saw like some kind of crazy amateur. Don't forget those suckers coming up from the base. Try to cut the branches at a 45-degree angle to help reduce disease by allowing water runoff. When trimming the tops, cut about a 1/4 inch above an out-facing bud so that the new branches grow outward and not towards the inside of the tree. And that's it! Your pear tree now looks fantastic and ready to bear some luscious pears. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more how-to videos from Show and Tell.